The 5 Islamic rulings. All human actions fall into 5 categories. Wajib, obligatory. This denotes those acts which Allah commands Muslims to do. Those who do them will be rewarded, but those who neglect them will be subject to punishment. Examples of such acts include the 5 obligatory daily prayers and fasting during the lunar month of Ramadan. Haram, prohibited. This denotes those acts which Allah has prohibited. Those who leave them will be rewarded, but those who engage in them will be punished. Examples of such acts include drinking alcohol and committing illicit sexual intercourse. Mustahab, also called sunnah, recommended. This is used to describe acts which are rewarded but not punishable for their omission, such as smiling at people, initiating the greeting of Islam by saying Assalamu alaikum when meeting them, and removing dirt or harmful objects from the road. Makruh, disliked. This denotes those acts which Islam urges its adherents to avoid. Those who avoid them will be rewarded, and those who do them will not be subject to punishment. They include such acts as fiddling with one's fingers during the prayer. Mubah, permissible. This denotes those acts that are neither forbidden nor recommended. They are rather neutral, and thus subject neither to reward nor to punishment. They include eating, drinking, and talking.